iPad tips and tricks that you need to know. So first, I'm going to navigate to the Safari application. I'm going to go ahead and search University of Kentucky and then navigate to the Images tab. If I hold down on one image and then select others around it, it allows the images to group. With that grouping, I'm going to go into Split Screen and then navigate to the Photos application. I am then going to drop that group in the Photos application, and now I can access all those photos. Now I'm going to navigate back to the Safari application and then head to a UK Now article. I'm going to go ahead and put this article into reader mode and then go ahead and save it as a PDF using the Files application. Now I'm going to navigate to the Files application and then find that article that I just saved. If I navigate to the Markup tool and then to the Color Selector and then the Dropper tool, I can use any color on the page as a highlighter or a pen in the Markup toolbar. This allows me to edit my notes based on the colors on the page. I can now save this file with the markups, and that's two ways you can use Safari downloads.